Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about average revenue, margin revenue, and total revenue. There is question given. How we can calculate the question? Determine the values of total revenue, average revenue, and margin revenue from the following data. In this question, there is given price and output. Output given in units. There is price 100, output is 1. Price is 95, output is 2. Price is 90, output 3. And price is 85, output is 4. And price is 80, output is 5. First, I will tell you what do you mean by average revenue. Average revenue, it is defined as the revenue per unit of output data sold. Average revenue, it is represented by AR, and total revenue, it is represented by TR, and output, it is represented by Q. To average revenue, it is defined as revenue per unit of output sold. It is defined as the revenue per unit of output sold, which is known as the average revenue. And total revenue is equal to price into quantity. Price into quantity, or average revenue into quantity. To total revenue, it refers to total receipts from the sale of given quantity of commodity. जैसे इसमें हमारा जो टोटल रेवेन्यू होता है, इट रेफर्स टू टोटल रिसिप्ट्स सेल ऑफ गिवन क्वांटिटी ऑफ ए कमोडिटी. जो हमारी टोटल क्वांटिटी गिवन होती है, जिसको मार्केट में सेल करते हैं, तो उसके बदले में टोटल रिसिप्ट जो ऑब्टेन करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज द टोटल रेवेन्यू. और मार्जिन रेवेन्यू क्या होता है? एमआर. मार्जिन रेवेन्यू इज इक्वल टू टोटल रेवेन्यू n माइनस टोटल रेवेन्यू n माइनस 1. MR is the additional revenue generated by the sale of an additional unit of the output. जैसे इसमें हमारी जो एडिशनल यूनिट जनरेट होती है आउटपुट की, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं मार्जिन रेवेन्यू. तो मार्जिन रेवेन्यू इक्वल टू टोटल, यहाँ पे n मीन नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स, तो मार्जिन रेवेन्यू इक्वल टू टोटल रेवेन्यू TR n माइनस TR n माइनस 1. अब इसको हम न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे देखिए सॉल्यूशंस है. There is given output price, total revenue, average revenue, and margin revenue equal to TR n minus TR n minus 1. Average total revenue TR is equal to AR into quantity, and average revenue is equal to TR upon quantity. Output means quantity. There is output 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and price is given 100, 95, 90, 85 and 80. When we multiply quantity into price, we get total revenue is 100 and 190 is total revenue, 270, 340, 400. So we find out the total revenue. 1 into 100, 100, 2 into 95, 190, 3 into 90, 270, 4 into 85, 340, 5 into 80, 400. And average revenue equal to total revenue upon quantity. Total revenue, this is the total revenue. When we divided by quantity, we get the average revenue. Total revenue is equal to 100, 190 divided by 2 is 95, and 270 divided by 3 is 90, 340 divided by 4 is 85, and 400 divided by 5 is 80. Then marginal revenue, when the output is 1, then marginal revenue and total revenue both are equal. This is 100, and 190 minus 100 is 90, 270 minus 90 is 80, 340 minus 270, 340 minus 270, we get 0, 7, 70, and 400 minus 340 is 60. So this is a value of marginal revenue. Marginal revenue of an unit. This is your answer. So answer is a total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. Total revenue is 100, 190, 270, 340 and 400. Then average revenue, AR is 100, 98, 95. The value of average revenue is 95. 95, 90, 85, 85 and 80. And the value of marginal revenue is 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. This is the value of टोटल रेवेन्यू, एवरेज रेवेन्यू एंड मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू. तो इस तरह से हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे. अब नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. इसमें देखो पहले आपका वी नो दैट एवरेज रेवेन्यू इक्वल टू इट इज डिफाइंड एट द रेवेन्यू पर यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट सोल्ड. एवरेज रेवेन्यू it is defined as revenue per unit of output sold, which is known as the average revenue. And total revenue, it refers to total receipts from the sale of given commodity. आप जैसे इसमें देखो आपका it refers to the total receipts from the sale of a given commodity, given quantity of commodity sold, that is known as the total revenue. And marginal revenue is the additional revenue generated from the sale of an additional unit of output, which is known as the marginal revenue. तो इस तरह से हम इसको न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करेंगे. नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल देखते हैं.